what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, today we're doing something a little different. We're not in the shop. We are here at Yankee Harley Davidson to support Ride 22 in 22 days. That's right, it's a veteran service organization where Mr. McStash himself is riding 22 states in 22 days in support of veteran suicide awareness. So you guys don't want to miss out on that. Jason is here already, so we're going to go over and say hi. Maybe we get him on camera. All right, we're here with Mr. McStash and his crew riding 22 states in 22 days. This is stop number what, 15?
15.
15, yes. State number 15, stop number 15, something like that.
Wow, pretty aggressive. 22 states in 22 days. That's amazing.
Well, we do 22 because the average number of veterans that kill themselves is 22 a day to suicide. So we wanted to make a big impact, and it kind of come out. That's a pretty big impact. So.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Rain, wind, snow doesn't stop. You're going to keep traveling through.
I don't think we've had much wind, so
that's a good thing.
But no, yes, finish the mission. The veterans unfortunately don't get a day. When I was in, I couldn't say. It's kind of raining today, so I don't think I'm going to go crawl over in that mud pit and sit out there and watch.
You know what they say? If it ain't raining, we ain't training.
That's what they say. That's what they say.
So, but stop number 15, we're going from here to Rhode Island, which is awesome. And we're going to have at the BPOE pasta dinner, I think.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
So, guys, if you don't know about this veteran service organization, check them out. It's Ride22in22.
It's Riding22in22VSA.com.
There you go. It's a mouthful.
Yes.
It is.
I'll put the link down in the description, and we'll make sure that we get the word out. And there's a place if someone wants to make a donation if they can't make the ride. And I was looking at your 2027 calendar. That's pretty aggressive, headed out west too.
Yes. Yes. You're invited.
Thank you.
Just saying. Everyone is invited.
That's
It's
right.
special, but we made a personal invitation, so if you don't go, you guys can harass him.
There you go. We're going to try and make it. I can't promise you I'm going to try.
Yes.
But guys, really, check this out. It's an amazing organization for an amazing cause. Please support our veterans. I mean, they do everything for us to keep our freedoms and our liberty. And now it's, I believe I've read this somewhere on a billboard. Their mission, your mission ends, our mission begins. Shout out to American Legion. So, all right, guys, more to come on this ride and more stops. It's going to be exciting. It's a great day. It's beautiful. It's sunny, or as we'd say in aviation, clear blue and 22.
There you go.
guys, we're at our first stop. We are at Pez. That's right, world famous Pez. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, here we are, Pez, world headquarters here in Orange, Connecticut. Guys, if you've never been, this is, believe it or not, I live 10 minutes from here. In 56 years, my first time here. Hey guys, the best of the best come out of this road. We got my Dun Life right here.
We got Dr.Harley right here beside me.
Hey, we're recording at the same time. This will be interesting.
Vlog of a vlog of a vlog, right?
Vlog squared.
Yeah, vlog squared.
Vlog squared. So what'd you think of the ride so far?
It's always good. We got lots of back roads. Thankfully, the traffic was kind to us since
yes.
we had a bigger group.
Yep.
That's always makes it a lot easier on us. So.
What do you think of my home state of Connecticut? Be honest.
It's busy. It's a busy state.
Yeah, it's mini New York.
Yeah. So,
but we also have,
factory.
Besides Mr. McStash, my Dun Life, we have the one and only, never to be imitated or duplicated, because if you do, you're asking for hard time.
A police record?
Yeah, the one and only Ben from Bikes, Beers, and Brews.
All right, we can't talk too long because right now you're in the way of me getting diabetes. What's up?
What's up, Ben? What do you think of the ride so far?
It was spiffy. It was very nice. I enjoyed the trees and the trees.
Because up in Boston, you don't get trees.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of nice to be in a part of Connecticut where you're not getting shot at, so that's always an improvement. It's
Well, I could help you out with that just up the road.
No, it's all right. I used to hang out in New Haven all the time. I know what it's like.
Yeah. So here we are in the lobby of Pez. Everybody remembers Andrew. Hello, Andrew.
What's going on?
A little bit of air conditioning going on. This is awesome. And if you're curious, adults are $5, ages 3 to 12 are $4, and senior citizens are $4. So I wonder where I fall. All right, so here we are. We're inside of Pez. From the 2000 series, from 2001 going up, there is the Tuttles. Not that. Never mind. We'll leave that one alone. But they do have one Pez for everything that they've done. Sports, animals, cars. Oh, wait, look at this. A whole lot of goodness right here. Oh, they even have trucks. Ben being Ben, I love it.
Oh yeah. I am now a Pez dispenser.
Oh, look at you. I can see that.
There's an OCC chopper upstairs. It's the Pez one. OCC guy, Pez dispenser.
Is the second floor. I guess this is where they have like lunching and birthday parties, things like that. Don't know. But as you can see, more and more Pez dispensers throughout history. The mini ones. These things are tiny.
Oh gosh. Give us some cereal boxes.
And of course, here's what everybody here has been wanting to see, I guess, is the Orange County Chopper Pez bike. You've seen it on Discovery Channel. Built by the Tuttles at Orange County Choppers. Now you see it here on Dr. Harley. So big shout out to Paul Jr. and Rick Pecco for doing a great job with this bike. Take a look at this rear fender and the artwork on the back. So that's the Pez bike by OCC. And of course they use a stock Evo motor. A little Pez cheerleader action going on. All right, guys, this was pretty cool. Stop at Pez, made me think of my childhood, and it's a nice little roll back through time. Absolutely. All right, guys, our next stop will probably be the Legion, where we're going to have pasta dinner. It's going to be a nice ride up to Rhode Island here from Orange, Connecticut. All right, guys, we finally made it here to the Elks Lodge, the BPOE, here in East Providence, Rhode Island. Hey, we're here. We made it. It was a nice, long, hot ride. A lot of traffic. Got a lot of clutch workout. All right, everybody. I'm not going to bring you inside and bore you with us stuffing our faces full of food. So until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride off, and as always, ride hard.